Okay, hello traders, welcome to E-RAH Capital. That's the name of the channel. So today we are going to share on why gold respects key levels, and today I'm going to show you how to draw accurate support and resistance zones. Not every support region is a support region, and how to draw them accurately. Most of you have been drawing them in an appropriate way. If it's appropriate, you end up having a huge stop loss, but when you draw them in a very good way, you end up risking less and the return is high. If the market goes against you, you lose less, and if in fact, like, because trading is all about risking, so you have to risk less. So since gold is highly liquid, it usually respects institutional levels such as support regions, and support regions we further categorized into order blocks. So, and once you learn these levels, how to draw these levels accurately, you are going to elevate your trading skills to another level. So today I'm going to show you. So that's in the previous video I showed you how we mark them support. So this is in a bearish scenario, this is in a bearish, this is in a bearish, this is in the bullish, this is in a bullish, this is a bullish scenario, then this is in the bearish scenario, of how a resistance zone looks like. Let me use red. So for me, in this way, the blue candles represent the bullish candles and the white ones represent the bearish candles. So how to draw the support regions? You just go here. So in any time frame, beat H1, let me go to higher time frames. Let me go to, so you can see here on a weekly time frame, you can see support region. Also it's a candle when the two candles are close. That's a resistance region. What's the role of the resistance region? Resistance region prevents the market from going further up, and it pushes the market further down. It resists the market. You see this resistance zone. What do we see here? This is a support region. It has supported the market to go further up. Do you see any support region there? We can see this. This is a resistance. Resistance here. You see what happened? When it went there, it pushed the market further down. You can see. It's the one which caused this move from here. So market came, it tapped there, then it came back to because the market had left a support region here, so market had to push back. It come back for that, and it goes to its direction. There. Let me first remove those. So we can see. Let's go up. You see this region here. What is it? You can also use line charts and see. A support region is one which is the V, because these line charts are the one which guide us. Most of you ignored them, but they are essential. So on a line chart, this signifies a resistance zone where the market made a down move. This signifies this is a support region, this is a resistance zone, resistance region. So if you use those to your advantage, you're going to elevate your trading journey. So you can see that this, when a support is when a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. Yeah. So you can see that what happened here. You can see all this is just simple price action. No need to over put in like you go in smart money concepts and waste a lot of time there. It's good, but it takes time. Yeah, you just have to master a lot. But here, because all those concepts were derived into support and resistance, because the market is all about being supporting, the market is either supported or it's resisted. Yeah. So what happened here? This was a support region, I mean it was a resistance region. It came here, it was broken. Then market came back, it retested it, and market moved further up. You can see market moved like this. Don't over confuse here. So market came there, it came to a support region, provided it's fresh. It came, it broke that. We expected it to come here to push the market up, but the market, it broke it, it came back to it, and it pushed the market further up. Yeah, are we together? Support and resistance. So we follow. So for you, our job is to follow where has the market created a support. The market has created the support here. Yeah. Here you can see that when the market created our support here, so market moved like this. So after market coming here, it broke. It broke here. It came back here, retested our region. It came back. It moved up. It formed, now this is our resistance zone. Market moved up to here. It came back to our resistance zone. It pushed the market up to here. And then since we were in the overall momentum was bullish, this was just a retracement to push the market further up. So we go follow again the market. Where has the market created the support region? Nowhere. I'll teach you, even there are some things, but I'm going to teach you. I'm currently showing you support and resistance. Is there anything here? No. Market is highly bullish. Yeah. So that's it. We go to daily time frame and see. We can see also on daily, it's the same story. It's just support and resistance. Market is being supported and it's being resisted. Yeah. What do we see here? What do we see here? Yeah. You see what I'm telling you. Market came supported. It supported this. Also market came. It gave us a resistance here. Here. Market resisted here to push the market to this zone. What do you see here? You can see that the market came. Yeah, you can see. Just simple things. No need of of complicating things. What do you see here? Now here, this zone is highly. Now this zone is it's a resistance. It's highly resistive. It has resisted the market multiple times. And we shall talk about what we call this zone here. Because this zone is is high. It resisted the market to come back. Here. Here the market left a support zone here. Market left a support zone. So market came, it came with momentum, it broke this zone. This signifies that we are continuing to push up. We are continuing to push up, as you can see there. Yeah, we broke this support. You see, it came and it consolidated a lot in this region. signifying that this level is what. So that's what most people do. They draw a zone here. They draw a zone here, from here up to here, that this is my resistance zone. Yeah, but this one is it's dangerous. Why? Because it's what, you are risking a lot. Yeah, you see, let's count the what, let's count the how many pips are there. Almost 400 pips. Yeah, but if you're just risking this to mark your levels in an accurate way, you are what, preventing all those risks, yeah, of having a huge stop loss. So if to sell from here, let me put it back. You say I'm going to sell from here in a like, because market came, this is a what, resistance. Market was resisted here. You say I'm going to sell from here. You see your reward to risk is going to be small, eh? But if you do the way I do, your risk to, because you put above the what, support region, and you target the what, the next what, resistance zone. Here the way you do, the way most people do, is to mark like this, and you put just here. It's okay, but you're risking a lot. It's better you just mark, where is my support region? It's here. This is my support. It's here. Yeah, this is my support region. Market is coming. Where is my resistance zone? Here. It's here. Not so. So since this region has been what, it's being liked by the market, of course market will come back there. It comes, you target there. Your stop loss is just here, above this zone. And what do we target? We target the next zone, which is that. It's just simple as that. You see, you're having good sniper entries, risking less, because where do we put our what? We can put above these highs. You see, because that's the high. We put just above here. Yeah, here we're reducing the stop loss. It's a small stop loss, and we are what, having a lot, because the risk toward, we are risking one, it is a 1 to 6, but the other one, it was huge stop loss, because this one is like, since we are on daily, this one is like more of what, it's not a scalp, it's a, you can put just above that. Yeah, so here we are risking 200 pips. It is 200 pips to get 1,579 pips. Yeah, you see that the risk to reward is what, reasonable, compared to the other one, which is you put the whole region. You say I'm putting my support here, my what, candle here. This is my zone here, because you can see it was supported here. Then you have to accommodate these candles. Yeah, so this is my region, and also here, where is my region? It is from here. You see this candle. Now you put this. Okay, let's just consider this. You draw this. Yeah, and you put your stop loss down just here. Let me just put two different things. Now you put your entry here. Mind you, we are here. Then you put your stop loss just above there, and what we are targeting this. Now let me remove them. So who is exposed to a lot of what? So this one is here. you see, for this scenario, see, this one is risking a lot, almost 500 pips to get 1000. The risk is 1 to 2, but this one is risking less and getting more. Okay guys, thank you. Just tune in for more content like this, for more insights. Okay, thank you.